Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're going to talk about how to AirDrop a file from your iPhone going onto your MacBook or your iMac. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with AirDrop, basically all it is an easy way to transfer files or pictures from your phone or between your iOS devices. So you can go Mac to Mac, or you can go iPhone to Mac, or iPad to Mac. On this video, I'm going to show you from my iPhone going into my iMac. Actually, no, it's not an iMac, it's a MacBook Pro. But this will work through most iOS devices, unless you happen to have a really old Mac. But I've had a Mac from 2010 and it worked just fine, so it'll probably end up working well for you. So be sure to stick around to the end. It's a really quick and easy process. I'm going to walk you through step by step. So for the purpose of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and AirDrop a picture that I have here on my iPhone and send it to my MacBook Pro. And how do you do that? Well, first off, what you want to do is go ahead and just grab the file. So I'm going to choose this file right here, this picture. It's a picture of a couple of face masks since we have coronavirus going on right now. Let me go ahead and open up the picture. All right, so there's actually two ways to go about this. You can choose the picture like what I did, and then you want to click this little button down here. It's a little box with an arrow. I'm going to click there now. All right, what that does is it grabs the picture, and then if you need to add in more pictures, you can go ahead and check right there on this little box, like we can add this picture in. So now we have two different pictures added in, but I only want to go ahead and add one, so I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. That's the first way to grab pictures. Let me go ahead and close this down and show you the second way to grab pictures. I'm going to close it down right here. All right, here we are back on the picture. Let me go ahead and go back. Okay, I went ahead and went back. So the second way you can grab pictures is click the select button right here on the top right. I'm going to click there. Once you've done that, then you can choose which pictures you want to go ahead and send. So you can choose 2 pictures or 3 pictures. It doesn't really matter. But again, we're just going to use the one picture for now. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one. And then you want to click the same button down here on the bottom, this little box with an up arrow. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you've clicked there, what you want to do is go ahead and click on this button, AirDrop. Now, if you have anybody in your contacts that has AirDrop on around you, it's going to pop up right here. In my experience, that doesn't work as well as clicking right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click right here on AirDrop. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked here. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and choose the device. Now, be sure you know which device you're going to be sending it to, because if there are strangers in your local vicinity and their device shows up here, once you click on it, they're going to receive that picture, which can be kind of embarrassing depending on what kind of picture you're sending. So for me, I'm going to choose my Mac's MacBook Pro. I'm going to click there now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. Let me switch over to my computer and show you what that looks like. All right, guys, here I am. I'm looking at my desktop on my MacBook Pro. And what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Finder. I've already opened it up. I'm assuming you know how to open up Finder. It's just your file search on your iMac or your MacBook. And what you want to do is go here to AirDrop. I'm going to click there now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. And then as you can see, a few devices pop up. So here is my iPhone, and then here is my MacBook. So obviously I am connected through my iCloud, so I don't need to authorize any kind of receiving files that I send here. It just automatically goes into my download. However, if you're going to be sending this information to someone else that's not connected to your iCloud, then you will get a pop-up. I don't have that pop-up here, but let me see if I can get it to show up. Okay, so I went ahead and used a different phone, and then I'm sending a file right now, and you're going to get this pop-up right here. As you can see, it says open in photos, decline, or accept. So if you're sending something to your own computer, you're not going to get this pop-up, but if you're getting it from someone else, you will need to accept or decline this. I'm going to go ahead and click accept now. Okay, I went ahead and accepted it. Now, one thing I want to know is that your settings on your iDrop are going to be right below. Let me go ahead and switch the camera over. Okay, as you can see right here, the settings. So if someone's trying to send you something through AirDrop onto your Mac, you want to be sure to update your settings right now. So I have mine set at anyone can send me something or request to send me something on my MacBook. I'm going to click there, and then you can choose no one, contacts only, or everyone. So once again, if it's not showing up here and your contacts when they're trying to send it to you, make sure to check your settings. You might want to put it on everyone until that file is sent over. Now, once your file has been sent, it's going to automatically normally go to your downloads unless you set up something different. Let me click on my downloads now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked on downloads, and as you can see, the file right here is the one that we just received. So the time is 5:56 for the file received. Now it's 5:58, so it was just about a minute or two ago, and it automatically goes in here. Let me open the file. All right, so here you go. This is the file that I just received right now, and that is named just whatever was in the image folder from the iPhone. You can easily change that just by shutting this down and then just clicking right here, and then it turns blue, and you can just name it to whatever you want. New photo here. All right, so I went ahead and changed it, and then you can drag it into whatever file folder that you want. So there you have it. That is how you can AirDrop photos and files from your iPhone into your Mac or your iMac or your MacBook Pro like I did. If you happen to know an easier way to do this, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.